Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Allocative efficiency is a huge concept in economics that you can master quickly. Let's find the exact point where society's resources are perfectly distributed. Allocative efficiency occurs when the value consumers place on a good matches the cost of producing it. This happens specifically when the market price is exactly equal to the marginal cost. This condition ensures that the last unit produced provides a benefit to the buyer that perfectly offsets the cost to the firm. It maximizes the total surplus within any market structure. While perfectly competitive firms naturally reach this point in the long run, the rule itself defines efficiency everywhere. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check steps.